Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by importing a high-quality nature photo. Choose a RAW or highest JPEG available to retain detail. Once imported, make quick framing decisions. Crop to 3, 2 or 16:9 depending on final use, and lock orientation to avoid accidental flips. Enable auto backup and keep an original layer so you can undo heavy edits. Now, create a duplicate working layer and name it, so you have a safe version, while you apply adjustments and selective edits. Next, you refine exposure and color to bring out depth. Start with highlights and shadows. Pull highlights down around 20 to 40 and lift shadows by 10 to 30 to recover detail. Then set white balance by sampling a neutral area, adjusting temperature and tint so greens and sky read natural. Use selective tools, brush, radial, gradient to add contrast, clarity or saturation only where needed. Make small, layered adjustments rather than one big change. This preserves texture and avoids oversaturation. Finish by sharpening and reducing noise selectively. Set sharpening in the 40 to 60 range and noise reduction around 10 to 30, masking to protect fine details. Remove distractions. Use spot heal for small bits and clone for larger intrusions. Zoom in and work at 100% for accuracy. When ready, export as TIFF for highest quality or max quality JPG for web. Embed the color profile and choose resolution based on destination. If colors shift, check your monitor profile first. Reopen original.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.